Welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and we have an unboxing, and this one has come all the way from France. So, big box, seems a bit bigger than what's needed, but that doesn't matter. Notice, got the Gillette scalpel out again. And we'll just carefully work out what's going on here. It's very well sealed up. Just bear with me a second. Okay, that has worked. Now we have plenty of newspaper. Looks like that's everything. Now, I'm pretty certain I know what this is, and it is a bit different. It is a Gillette, but it might be quite rare. There we go. I've just got to make sure I keep you all in the loop here. Come on. So, quite well packaged. Rightio. So, quite nondescript. And we got on the bottom there, Gillette, made in France. So, there you can see me. So it's without the diamond logo. So, we can see there. We'll just take this paper off. There we have it. It's an Aristocrat. So this one is quite rare, and yeah, quite special. Let's see if there's any blades in here. Feels like there's something in the blade bank. Just some old Gillette blues. Let's just check to see where it says the razor is made. Made in England by the looks there. Isn't it amazing? I can read it better on the camera than just in the normal light of the room. Yeah, made in England. Let's open her up, see how it feels. Nice and smooth. Very smooth. Beautiful, in fact. Very nice condition. I'd say it's only lightly used, if that. I'll go with lightly used. It's hard to see in this light whether there's any soap residue. Have a look in the camera. For whatever reason, the camera is picking up the light better. Yeah, so at best it's never been used, and at worst it's just lightly been used, so it's a nice score. But anyway, it's an unusual Gillette, and it's not a common case to go with it. Okay, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll talk to you all again soon. Okay, ciao for now.